Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's November 7th and we're going to thin some carrots out. So let's get after it. I'm sure you've seen my carrots in one of my videos. We're going to get out here and we're going to thin the carrots. Now these won't take too much thinning. The main thing will be getting the grass out. But these ones on this row are going to need quite a bit. So it's time to start thinning. One of the hardest things to do for me, and maybe for a lot of you, is to pull up plants that are good and alive. I mean, we're pulling up quite a bit of plants out of here, but you got to understand that if you don't do this, you're not going to make a very good carrot crop. You'll have really small carrots, and I have that problem a lot because I don't get back and thin these out. It'd be best if you could just plant them and you'd have pretty much the right spacing, but a lot of times I tend to overseed, whether it's I have an older seed and I want to make sure it germinates or something like that. But anyway, I'm going to continue to do this. They might not look so pretty right today, but here in a couple of weeks they'll really look a lot better. Well, it took me a couple of days to stay focused in between other things, but I've got both these beds of carrots thinned down. One thing I want to make sure I mention whenever you thin these, now if you thin them a little bit too much, that's fine, but you do want to make sure that you thin them enough that they're going to have some room, anywhere from 1 inch to 2 inches, so will work. 1.5 to 2 inches is best. But you want to make sure after you thin these, because you are disturbing the roots, take and water these in good. What that'll do is it'll get that soil settled around the roots some more, and it won't stress it because it will have the extra moisture, and watch them grow. Anyway, if you want to see more of my videos, just hit that subscribe. Leave any comments down below and tell me about your success with carrots. Hit the bell button so you'll be notified. And of course, give it a big thumbs up if you like this video. Happy gardening.